Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. And today's a little moving and grooving day. We've only been at this little section of state land for a couple of days, but it is the beginning of the month, and I did my grocery shopping last night online. I'm going to go to Walmart and have it all loaded up, which would get me through the middle of the month where I do my second grocery shopping. But first, I'm going to hit Planet Fitness for a good hot shower, hopefully, and a bit ado to this little spot. A lot of residential housing here, a lot of freeway there, but it's been okay. But we're going back to the first state land spot that I was in because it's pretty big. There's the RV park nearby and the storage place nearby, but that should be good for the next week or so until my doctor's appointment follow-up, and then I can leave town. So we're going to be heading, sorry, I'm moving all over the place here. So we're going to be headed to Planet Fitness, Walmart. We're already good on everything else. Don't need to dump tanks or do anything like that. We've only been here a couple of days. And then we're going to get relocated in that same state land area, but I think a little bit more tucked away and hidden away. So let's go get clean. I know I should have shaved today, but it's 48 degrees out. Woo. It rained all morning. Early in the morning it rained. It's about midday now, about 1 p.m. Sun finally has come out a little bit from the clouds, but black clouds all over. No more rain forecast, but 48 degrees and windy. That's the thing. It's like 10-mile-an-hour wind, and I was fine inside the RV, but as soon as I stepped outside and that wind started cutting through me, oh man alive. Even Ninja's all tucked away in her bed up here, but as soon as you start moving, she'll get below my seat like she normally does, where I've got a little towel for her, and we'll be on the road. See the freeway. Look at those clouds I was talking about. And a lot of quad trails out here, which is kind of cool for the neighborhood, I guess. That's a little area of Buckeye called Verado. It's a master plan community. All right, first stop, Planet Fitness. Last time I was here, I parked the VW over there, but because of the size, I'm gonna park here. Now let's hope no not stinking person comes and parks right there. Chances are I'll get someone right there. Very difficult for me to back. Hope no one does that. Let's put out a cone. Oh my, the Pottery Barn. I know where I'm gonna spend hours after my shower. Not there. Hopefully that music doesn't come across, give me a copyright strike, but they've got some cool music going. There's a Dollar Tree, a Ross, a Target, another RV traveler way in the distance. Let's get, woo, windy, drizzly. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Can you see those eyes under the seat? All right, grab the gym bag and go. Okay, so don't judge me. Or does that mean I get judgment for free when I'm inside? People will just give me their opinions and judge me. I don't know. So after my shower, sorry it's windy, this will be quick. I just wanted to point out no one's in front of me, and that was very negative of me to say and think. And my motto is be positive, be nice. So you know what? Be positive. No one's got to park and block me, and if they do, it's no big deal. Anyway, just wanted to add that in. Because we're on our way to Walmart. I don't know if I've shown the back while I'm towing the VW, but you see how it's bent more to the left? Well, I filled that guy up 100% full, and it bent the trailer. It just can't take that much weight. So now, as if this side wasn't low enough to the ground, the left side's even lower. But surprisingly, thanks to the back end of the V-dub being lifted, I've never had it bottom out yet. Okay, before Walmart, weather update, 52 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've got 2 full trash bags. So we're gonna go around this little strip mall that I showed you and find us a dumpster. That's what nomads like me have to do. All right, we're here. I'm parked. Technically, this is regular parking. They only have like that other side, like 10 spaces. But I'm supposed to be like number 18, but I did arrive 15 minutes early. So I'm gonna chill at this lovely Goodyear Walmart until they bring out my order. Then we'll be heading to that same state land spot in a different location though. See you there once the groceries are all loaded. So the only time Ninja will come up front sometimes when I'm driving is to sit right on top of her litter box on that blanket. She now goes to her bed during the day sometimes. During the day she sometimes goes up there. But when we're moving, no. Under the seat or maybe right here. So here we are. Yeah, it's the next day. But we're back on state land. Free camping for 14 days. And Ninja loves rolling in the dirt. I don't know why that is. It's a weird cat thing. Walk a foot and then roll in the dirt. Anyway, let me show you around, although I know you love Ninja. So the I-10 freeway is over there. Cannot even hear it. The 303 ends right here, and I've showed this in previous videos. And there's a storage facility there that, like I said, I stored my boat for a couple of years there. And there's an RV lot, RV park there in the background that I actually stayed at one night. That was one of my 0.001% nights in an RV lot to use the jacuzzi. It was around Christmas and allowed me to dump my stuff. But Ninja and I are back here, at least until my doctor's appointment. Oh, here comes the monster. And again, care to do some fishing? The lovely Roosevelt Canal, I believe it's named. There are fish in there. Believe it or not, that's about 4 or 5 feet deep, and I can see the bottom. I would definitely drink this with a life straw. And look at the White Tank Mountains in the back. Ninja's got to get a little nerve up to cross the street here. Come on. Come on with Daddy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, she doesn't believe me. Come on. Come on. It's okay. She finally came over. I don't think you want to go in that water though. Yeah, check out those holes. See what's inside of those. So, thanks for joining me on the journey today, along with Ninja, to our new campsite. And please smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already subscribed. Love to have you as a subscriber, as part of our community. Be positive, be nice, be active.